Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading Critique. Did you know that the Forex market is the biggest financial playground on the planet? We're talking over $6 trillion changing hands every single day. That's more than the stock market combined. So, what exactly is Forex? It's all about trading currencies. Think of it like exchanging dollars for euros or yen for pounds. But instead of doing it at a bank, you're doing it on a global scale. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down Forex trading into simple terms. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious, stick around, because we're about to demystify this exciting world. So, we know Forex is about trading currencies, but how does it actually work? It's all about timing. You buy a currency when you think its value is going to rise and sell it when you think it's going to fall. Let's say the US dollar is looking weak. You think it's going to strengthen. So, you buy US dollars. If your prediction is right and the dollar gains value, you can sell those dollars for more than you paid, making a profit. But remember, it's not just about the US dollar. The Forex market is a global playground. The most popular currency pairs are things like USD, EUR, which means trading US dollars against euros, or GBP, USD, that's British pounds against US dollars. And that's the basic idea behind Forex trading. It's about analyzing currency trends and making smart decisions. Benefits of Forex trading. Forex trading isn't just about making money, it's about opportunity. First off, it's accessible. You don't need a fortune to start. Even a small amount of capital can get you in the game. And let's talk liquidity. Forex is the most liquid market in the world. This means you can buy or sell currencies quickly without affecting the price. Plus, the Forex market never sleeps. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can trade anytime that suits you. Now, here's where it gets exciting and risky: leverage. It allows you to control larger positions with smaller amounts of capital. This can amplify your profits, but it can also amplify your losses. So, use it wisely. Forex trading isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks involved. Currency values can be as unpredictable as a roller coaster. One minute they're up, the next they're down. Global events, like elections or economic reports, can send shockwaves through the market. And let's not forget the human element. Emotions can cloud judgment. Discipline and risk management are your best friends in this game. So, while Forex offers huge potential, it's essential to approach it with caution and do your research. So, you're intrigued by Forex? Great! The first step is education. Soak up as much knowledge as possible. Understand how currencies move, what drives them, and different trading strategies. Once you feel confident, try your hand at a demo account. It's like training wheels for Forex. You get to practice with virtual money before risking your own. Remember, start small. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Forex is a marathon, not a sprint. And hey, while you're here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We've got plenty more Forex tips and tricks coming your way. Forex trading can be incredibly rewarding, but it's also challenging. It's about patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Remember, every trader started as a beginner. So, take your time, manage your risks, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. The world of Forex is vast and full of opportunities. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!